we're trying to trick one of you. But
It struck me, parang nakita ko yung importance ng mga mother, no, by this small sharing, and you will be also opening your Bible. Can I share it to the video? To YouTube?
okay.
Ang ganda!
Welcome back to our channel.
What is this? What is this?
Hello, this is the Tita. We're cooking egg, and we are having a happy day. We have class, but we're gonna go to SM and have Wednesday after school. Yes, we are in SM after school.
Faye, you have a chick, set up the table. Go. Good play. Manang Romelin already go na.
Wait, you'll be the plate, I'll be the spoon. I am the...
Whose towel is this?
Hello, let me introduce my stuffed toy, Celebi. He always doesn't understand other things. I remember that he left the meeting because he joined the meeting. The rule says if you join the meeting, join. If you leave the meeting, leave. But he joined and leave again, but that's not the rule. Do you know before there was 13 planets? Because I heard it from the book. But now there's 8 planets. No, not now, not 13. Before it was. One of you think it's 9 planets. So it's supposed to be 8 planets. Oh yeah, I already said that earlier. Ta-da! See, but now I'm with the scarf. See? It's just a trick. We are trying to trick one of you. But one of you think it's real. Goodbye! Hello!
Is it raining? What is that? You sing, rain, rain, go away.
Come on. What rain, rain, go away. The Audi is still there. Can you see?
You say, good morning.
Say good morning. He wants to go out with
The cups, the glasses, and the sink. Wipe properly, wipe properly. This is mine.
this mine.
Drink water. Cheers.
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 And then, wow.
Make sure na no rice. Okay, all the rice is going back and forward. Good morning! And welcome to the vlog. So, it's Mommy Doc Michelle and it's another day. I plan to vlog this day or shoot this day dahil yung mga kids namin may event. Naka-vacation leave ako ngayon sa work para makapag-spend time talaga with the activities they have. And yun yung nilulook forward namin. Wait lang, kasi sleeping pa si Daddy. Hi Kai, come here! Come here. The kids are here beside me. Kumakain ng stick o. Kakatapos na naming mag-breakfast. Ang ginagawa ko, after ko mag-get ready yung mga kids, yun, dun na ako nagbabasa ng Bible or spend my prayer time or have my quiet time with the Lord. Usually, sinusulat ko yung mga prayers ko para may nababalikan ako, may nababasa ako. It helps me to be focused kapag nagpipray ako. And also, I have my Bible na dinadala ko anywhere. Nagmi-mix up ako. Sometimes, I read sa New Testament, sometimes sa Psalms, sa Proverbs. Pero ngayon, it's my goal to finish the Old Testament before the year ends. So, talagang, ang pagbasa ko ngayon, it's not just na parang Bible reading. I've been studying the scriptures. So, mas in-depth yung study ko. And I was amazed how the Lord works sa akin in that sense. It's weird, no? Kasi kung titingnan mo, hala, mahirap siya kasi Old Testament siya. Or it's more like mga stories lang yun nandyan. Pero, with whatever I am going through sa mga season ko ngayon, sobrang laki ng help niya. And ang mga insights, lahat na yun, I've been very excited to share it with Daddy. Yun, mas nakaka-connect kami in that sense. Kasi ngayon nasa book ako ng 2 Kings. So, I was amazed how the mother's name ng mga kings are mentioned. Most of the mothers that were mentioned sa 2 Kings na mga kings under Judah, ang next na line nila is very important siya. Kasi next line, and the king or he did what was right in the eyes of the Lord. Pero meron din instances yung by the end na that he did not do the things that is right from the Lord or do the things that is evil from the Lord. So, parang nakita ko yung importance ng mga mother, honestly. Pero I tried to research it. I really want to know what's the context, bakit siya sinusulat. Kung makita mo siya sa 2 Kings, dalawa yung mini-mention ng mga dalawa sila kasi diba nahati yung Israel. So Judah was from the lineage of David. Tapos yung Israel na nag-separate sila at that time. So yung kings kasi non-Davidic, gano'n yung term nila. Hindi sila under the lineage of David. There's no mention of their mothers. And pero under dito sa kay David naman, lahat, most of them, may mention talaga ng mothers nila. With their culture sa lineage nila ni David, parang it holds a great possession yung mga mothers ng mga kings. So, ibig sabihin, the mothers really have a great impact sa mga kings at that time, yung mga king ng Judah. Syempre, na-start yun kay Solomon. Tapos, sobrang laki kasi nung nagawa or talagang sa succession ni Solomon, malaking ginawa ni Bathsheba. Tapos, makikita mo dun talaga sa story how Solomon listens to her since the start, ganun. Pero si Bathsheba kasi, kilala na natin siya. Yun yung kay David, diba, na sin. Pero, moving forward, if you read the Bible, you will be amazed how they work as a mother. Naging mother din kasi si Bathsheba. I read 2 chapters. Tapos, yung binasa ko, both sila na under sa mga kings, they really mention the name of the mothers. And after the mention of the name of the mothers, yung next statement talaga, I don't know, ako talaga very sorry. Ang after ng mention ng name ng mga mothers, yung next statement, yung king na yon, did what was right in the eyes of the Lord. And dun ko nga nakita, maybe it's a culture thing, maybe the queen really holds a great position, pero kahit ano nating gagawin, after mentioning it in the Bible, the name of the mother, alam mo na ang ginawang yun nung king na yun na how he grows up, paano siya pinalaki ng nanay niya to be able to do what is right in the eyes of the Lord. And honestly, yun talaga yung parang, it struck me. And the Bible show it, the Lord acknowledged it, na it's really a big thing yung mga yung role ng parents. You might be a father, a mother, both yun sila. It impacts. Kasi kahit sa lineage naman ni David sa mga kings, makita pa rin. Honestly, ang next sa mga statement doon, after na he did what was right, kino-compare siya sa acts na ginawa nung father niya. Like what Amaziah or yung mga kings before him na ginawa that was right in the Lord. Kung evil naman, kino-compare din sa mga evil king na mga ginawa nila. Pero ang pinaka talagang standard ni Lord doon is si David. Pero meron isang king with his mother, tapos sinabi, and like David, so kung ano mga ginawa ni David na righteousness with the Lord, ginawa ng king na to. Pero it's just so amazing how it was presented that way. Parang alam mo yun, kapag by the end of your life, babasahin kung anong summary ng life mo nung ginawa mo. And that's a good thing talaga na yun. It will be your name, it will be mentioned that you did the right thing in the eyes of the Lord or before the eyes of the Lord. And yung mga mothers, yun, sobrang laki ng role natin with our kids. Yan. I hope I will help you na mas magkaroon ng interest, or you will be you will be blessed by this by this small sharing, and you will be also opening your Bible because kahit ano pang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, magugulat at magugulat ka. The Bible helps, when you open it, when you read it, talagang sobrang laki ng tulong niya. After this, inaano ko lang, kasi gisingin namin si Daddy, kasi parang first siya ang sasama kay Faye going to SM. Sa SM kasi yung event nila, it's United Nations, so sa gitna ng SM dito, sa SM Bacolod, doon nila gagawin yung event nila. So I'll be getting ready the kids, the girls, kasi may mga costume sila, different countries silang dalawa. Tapos ready naman siya beforehand. Pero, let's see, excited na yung dalawa na yun. First daw, wala kasing class. Kaya doon siya. And they are now crying. Doon sila sa room. Diba? Why are you crying? What happened? What happened here in the room? What happened? Why, what happened? What did I say? What happened? What happened? The ipit.
It was just accident.
What's ipit? The feet or the ano? The toes. Oh, this one. Okay, it's okay. It's an accident. But next time, actually, be careful na. You hug na. You say sorry and hug Faye.
I already say sorry.
Okay, good job, Achi. It's okay. We need to change na Faye. We're gonna wake up Daddy. Okay? Then, I'm gonna get ready your clothes and we'll put makeup.
And then I'll
You're
prepare
gonna put makeup.
and look for more stuff.
No, fine. Okay, you try to lie down na lang muna. I'll get ready your clothes. Okay, I'll get it. Why are you here in the kitchen? What is that? Oh no! Langga, you played with the rice. Give. What is this? Rice. What is this?
Vodka.
What?
Come
here na, come here. No more na. We cannot play with the rice, Langga. Okay? Okay? Fave kay kay. Okay?
Take out.
Stick-o na naman.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Achi, can you get me another spoon, the one that is small spoon, not brownie? Abo, abo. Grabe, parang super tawag na to. Ano ba nangyari? Parang sunod-sunod, dire-diretso yung work na, yung ginawa namin ni Daddy. Kasi si Faye, kailangan niyang mauna sa doon nga sa event nila kasi yung mga preschool, 10 a.m. to 12 noon yung event nila. Tapos yung elementary naman, which is andyan si Achi namin, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So, ang ginawa na lang namin ni Daddy, kasi kanina wala pa yung mga yung mga student, yung mga assistant ko dito sa bahay. So, naiwan na muna ako. Tapos, sila ni Faye and Daddy yung pumunta doon. Si Daddy saka si Faye, pauwi na sila. Sub na kami. Kami naman yung aalis doon. Yan. So, si Achi naman for elementary
I already
naman.
done with all the things you told me.
Very good. Did you brush your teeth?
Yep.
Did you eat na?
Yep.
Did you wash your face?
Yep.
Very good. Are you ready? You'll change clothes na.
Yes, I want to be!
Wow. Okay, so yun ang gagawin namin. Tapos later ako naman ang magdadrive. Hopefully, may parking. Yun lang tinitingnan namin ngayon.
I'm so excited. So we need to be in line.
1, 2, 3. Smile. Isa pa. Happy. Are you happy?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Wow!
Okay, we're going. It's Mommy and Achi turn. We'll be going to
SM to dance with the Green Acres Christians.
The biggest cooperative of all because it is composed of different countries around the globe.
Yes.
Let's go na. Let's go na sa parking lot. A car. And we'll be going home kasi mommy needs some rest. Hindi naman. I slept kasi late last night kasi yun nga, nag-edit ako ng video na pinost ko. And kanina early naman kami nagising because nga for the preparation for our achi. Can I share to them what happened earlier? Can I share it to the video? To YouTube?
Okay.
Okay, with the consent of our achi. Kasi kanina, umiyak siya. Kasi, after ng presentation nila, yung class presentation nila, parang nandun kasi ako sa gilid, parang sa isang Japanese na shop sa Ikorio. So, makain ako ng ramen. So, nakita niya ako. So, nag-drop by siya. Tapos, nagutom siya ata. Kumain din siya ramen. And, she was telling me na daw, may presentation pa siya, kakanta daw siya, talagang super excited siya sa mga kunikwento niya lahat. Tapos, parang habang nag-present ganun, may nag-continue, syempre nagko-continue yung program. Tapos yun na nga, yung hindi namin narinig na pinatawag na pala yung school choir kasi nagjo-join siya sa choir sa school nila, and yun nga, yun yung kakantahin nila. Tapos nung pabalik na kami doon sa tawag na to, sa seat niya, nakita niya na yung mga kasama niya andun na sa gitna sa stage. So parang nakapag-start na, nagpe-present na ganun. Tapos nahihiya na siya lahat. So hinatid ko siya doon. Tapos andun naman yung teacher niya, hinahanap na pala siya. So parang na-late siya, pero nakaano pa rin siya, nakaakyat pa rin siya, tapos nakasing pa rin siya with the group. Pero yun nga, nung matapos yung presentation, bumalik siya sa akin, yun, she's already crying. Kasi yun nga ang na-feel niya na daw, tawag na to, baka daw hindi siya nakita ng mga friends niya na nakasing siya, tapos daw late daw siya, parang mixed emotion siya talaga. So grabe talaga yung iyak niya. So parang hindi pa siya makabalik sa seat niya. Yun nga, nag-comfort na muna si mami sa kanya. Pero by the end of it, hindi niya ma-express kung anong na-feel niya o bakit siya umiiyak. Siguro mas naintindihan ko na lang nung nagsabi ako sa kanya na, Achi, do you want pray first to Jesus para you will feel well na. Tapos yun nga, I'm just so amazed how how innocent or sobrang ganda ng prayer niya. Kasi nag-ask lang siya kay Jesus na sana ma-feel good na siya, she will be happy na, tapos sana daw hindi daw ma-feel ng mga kasama niya doon sa choir na hindi siya nag-present. Doon ko na na-feel. Tapos sabi daw niya na sana hindi na yun mangyari ulit, na na-late siya. So doon ko na naintindihan na ganun pala yung mga na-feel niya, bakit siya umiiyak. Pero after nun, talagang nag-okay din siya and everything. I'm just amazed nga sa yun nga kung anong nangyari lahat. And ngayon yan na, happy na siya. Come here! Come here! Hi! What happened? No more na. Bye-bye, Cow! Bye-bye, Cow! Bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! I've never been so tired. We're home na. Tapos yun nga, yung mga kids, lumabas sila. Nag-walking kasi sila sa area. Pero hopefully hindi mag-rain kasi sobrang dark na ng sky. Sabi nila isang ikot lang daw. Yun ang gusto talaga, nagustuhan ng mga kids. So, yun yung exercise nila kasi parang gumawa kami ng parang checklist ng need nila gawin for the day, ganun. For Achi and Feifei. So, yung for the day nila, check nila yun. Tapos kapag matapos sila yung mga task nila for today, nabibigyan sila ng star. Tapos kapag nagkaka-accumulate sila ng star, yun, may mga prize sila. Sometimes, yung mga favorite nila, makakapag-ice cream, Kinder Joy, yung favorite nila. Or si Ellie, makakapag-play ng Switch, ganun. So, at first, talagang super gusto nilang ma-finish with the stars. Pero yung mga mga following days na wala na, nag-enjoy na sila sa task. Tapos parang nakasanayan na nila, especially with our Achi. Like magsasabi yan siya, Mami, hindi pa ako nakapag-exercise today. Or Mami, where's my Bible? I want to read na my Bible. Kasi yung read the Bible nila, pinapractice na namin. Especially with Ellie, kasi marunong na siya magbasa. I have my parcel. Share ko. Kung anong binili ko. Something here sa house na need ko. Need ko sa pag-edit ng mga video. Need ko sa work ko. Dami, diba? Kasi nasira yung last ko. na ganito. Dadan! Akala ko last time, nag-decide ako na hindi na bumili kasi sabi ko parang additional lang. Pwede naman ako mag-loudspeaker, ganun. Pero talagang naging, at first kasi want ko lang siya. Gusto ko lang siya. I have my own, parang ganun. Pero yung dumating sa point na need ko na siya. Yan, need ko na siya. And I asked permission kay Harvey, sa husband ko. And pumayag din siya. Pasok siya sa budget namin. So, ang ganda! Nalap ko yung color. Ganda. It's noise cancellation. How much binili ko neto? If gusto niyo, I can share the link. Sa Shopee ko lang binili. Kasi naghanap lang ako ng may magandang review. 1,000 ata to. 1,000 something. Tapos, syempre, may mga discount. Uy, yung ganda niya, seryoso. Even yung ganito niya, yung foam na part niya. Pero syempre, malalaman natin if gagamitin ko na siya, diba? Oh. Seryoso, noise cancellation siya talaga. Baka hindi ko marinig yung mga kids ko. Isa lang yun siya, pero it's so nice. Ang ganda, seryoso, ang ganda niya. Aesthetic, of course, check. Ang ganda. Color, check. Sound, check. As in, noise cancellation, yes, nakuha siya talaga. And easy rin mag-connect lahat ng yun. Itatry ko na lang with my laptop, with my work laptop. Kasi ito yung gagamitin ko. And ano pa ba? Anything else na magagamit ko? But I'm so excited. Hindi na
I have my cheese. Hi, I'm reading. So Archie's reading.
What happened here? Manang already clean up. What happened here? What happened? Kai, you're reading a book? Smile.
I don't want the pencil.
I will give you a pencil. Okay? Okay. Clean up. Everybody clean up. We are already here in our room and tawag na to, we're so happy kasi makapag-rest kami ng mabuti kasi tomorrow walang school ang mga kids just because of the activity kanina. So parang yung school nila nagbigay ng free day sa kanila for tomorrow. Talagang na-bless kami ni Lord. We are very thankful for the wisdom kasi sobrang iba talaga yung setup namin with them right now. Hindi ako nag-hire ng experienced helper or talagang full-time na helper dito sa bahay. Yung nangyari, as in parang the Lord, tinahi-tahi yung mga situations. Nakamit kami mga tao in our discipleship group, as we continue with our ministry, lahat ng yun. And nabigyan kami ng opportunity to help college students. So, yung mga kasama namin ngayon dito sa bahay, yung dalawa are my under our discipleship group. Then also, they are college students. So, nagpupunta talaga sila sa school. And while being here in our house, yun, nag-help out sila. Sila yung, parang na-balance lang yung lahat. Na not too comfortable for us ni Daddy Harvey, but, tawag nito, enough to really help us out to be able to parang give our best sa mga, especially with our work, me taking care of my husband, with my kids, sa cafe, nakadagdag pa yun, lahat ng yun. So, we are very, very, very grateful talaga kay Lord sa ganyan na situation. Yun, I think that's it for today. I hope ano ba, nag-enjoy kayo. Nag-enjoy rin kayo sa mga nangyari sa amin. And I was able to impart or share something that can also help you as you go through life. So, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!